Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV. Just an update on this SimPure water filter system I installed in the RV back in January. So I had about 5 or 6 months of use of it in the RV. It has a reverse osmosis built into it and UV and a carbon filter. So it was very handy when we were down in the desert areas where they use a lot of well water with a lot of hard water. Really improved the taste of the water, and the UV was nice to purify it. It's starting to reach a point where one of the filters is starting to run down a little bit, but still actually in pretty good shape. The RO filter is really good shape. The carbon filter is starting to get maybe to half life according to the LED readout. We're going to leave it in the RV and I'll replace the filters there. You can see where it's down to 2 bars there on the carbon filter. We're going to leave it in the RV and I'll replace the filters for next season. I'm not going to use it on the boat because when we boat in BC, the water is pretty soft already. So I have some different filtration system for the boat and a different UV purification. I'll be installing that in a later video, but I just wanted to update you on this. There was no leaks in any of the plumbing. The shutoff valve worked good, no leaks there. It does dispose of some water during the reverse osmosis process. It expels wastewater into the drain, so keep that in mind if you're boondocking. It wasn't really a problem for us because I can bring water in and waste out. So it was just nice to be able to turn the tap on there and have good, clean drinking water and nice tasting drinking water. Anyway, that's about it for now. Until next time, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Cheers, guys.